Well, good afternoon my friends, welcome along to another video. This one's a little bit different in the fact that I'm in my house, up in the office if you like, and today is all about the unboxing of my new camera. So I've got a DJI Pocket 2 creator combo, so we're going to unbox this, see what it's like, and going forward this is what I'll be using to do the vlogs. So I better put my glasses on first and we'll get on with the unboxing. Right, so we'll start by taking the plastic off. So I've got my knife here ready for that. So let's have a look. Get that cut. Try not to take my fingers off at the same time. Come on. Right, get rid of all of that. So chuck that away for now. Right, so let's get rid of the knife. God, these boxes are very... Oh, no, I didn't want to do that, to be fair. Goodness me, how are you supposed to get into... Ah, that's why. That way. You can see me and technology are not going to get on, are we, really? Okay, so I'll just pop you around this way now, and we'll try and get a better view of what's going on, if you like. There we go, and that's better, isn't it? Let's move that light round a little bit. That's it. Okay, so let's have a look and see what we've got in here. I believe that's accessories in there. Camera. Instructions. Yep, lovely. Goodness me. I may well need a microscope to read those. Right, we have got in the bottom. Yep, I think that's just about everything. So that looks like the extension for the Pocket 2, which the tripod fits in the bottom there. And that, I believe, is the tripod. I could be wrong. Goodness me, what are you supposed to do with that? Well, yeah, I could be wrong. So we'll leave that there. That is the wireless microphone, I'm guessing, which has a little clip on the back of it. That I have absolutely no idea what that is, but it also has a little thread on it, so I take it that's for the tripod as well, and that's a bit of foam. So it's going well so far, isn't it? So let's have a look under here. What have we got? So the camera itself, it's got a bit of foam in there and it's wedged in. Don't know whether you take that out or not, to be honest. I will, because I think that was just for packaging. That, I believe, comes out. Yeah, okay. So that's a little screen protector. We've got more bits of plastic all over the place here. Boom. There. Goodness me, yeah, that's yeah, very faffy. And I've got one over the screen. And I think that's how you switch it on. Whoop. Okay. Right, I'm not too sure how you flip the screen round or what do you do. I better have English. Okay, so I'm guessing that sits in there somehow. No idea. Honestly, folks, this is not a good start, is it? Me and technology do not get on. Now, how I'm going to do vlogs with this remains to be seen, but I'm told it is a very, very good camera. So let's just see what's in the other box. I'll stand him up there for now. It's good to know that there is English there. So let's have a look and see what's in here. There's more stuff stuck in the bottom. Okay. Right, so that's everything there. We've got a little sachet of silica gel. Wonderful. And looks like a carrying strap, even I know what that is. We've got the charging cable with 2 connectors. And I'm just going to use the scissors to snip these open. Right, so I'll get rid of stuff over there. Right, what have we got? Yeah, I believe that attaches to the camera somehow. And that is, I haven't a clue what that is. Okay. Now I do know what that is. That is a wide angle lens which you can attach to the, sorry, I'm upsetting it because the gimbal's on, so yeah, that goes on there. That is some sort of USB adapter, which I'm guessing that is as well. And yeah, so this has got to be the tripod. Ah, right, it might be. It's very tight at the moment, so I'm guessing no, yes, no. Right, well, it is the tripod, but I really don't know how it, there we go. Just needs some brute strength, doesn't it? There we go. That's more like it. So I'm guessing that goes on there. Now what I'm not seeing is the little, oh, there it is. That's why it's still in the box. The little dead cat that goes on the goodness, this is not going well. This is really not going well. Come here. No, yes, no. There's definitely something in there. Right. That's it. That's it. So that's my little dead cat, which goes on the microphone, which I think just clips on. Aha. There we go. Okay, so taking the rubbish aside then, this is what I've got in the DJI Pocket 2. Right, this is going to take me a while to work out how it all works. I'm sure, as you know now, me and technology really do not get on. I hope this was a good idea. It seems very, very complicated to me, but I'll give it a go and I'll try and get it sorted. Oh, just take my specs off a second. There we go, that's better. They really are just for close-up work, and I was a little bit blurry there. That's better. Now then, I did get a surprise in the post the other day. There was a big 12-inch envelope came for me from moonpig.com, and I knew straight away. I thought, well, I haven't ordered anything from Moonpig. I haven't got a clue what it is. And to my surprise, it was actually a card from YouTube. Okay, and it was a congratulations card on achieving 500 subscribers. Okay, I'm not in these big YouTuber leagues where they have millions and millions of followers, but I'm absolutely chuffed to bits to get 500 subscribers. There's also 150 videos on the channel there as well. Hopefully most of those are a lot better professional than this one is. I have to say, this is the first unboxing video I've ever done. I'm sure there's room for improvement, so put your comments down below on what I could have done better. But you know, I'm sure if I ever do one of these vlogs again, it will be a little bit better. But I do thank you very, very much indeed for this. To have 500 subscribers is absolutely amazing. So it's onwards to 1,000 now. Okay, I'm not sure where my next vlog's going to come from, but once I'm set up with this camera, I'm sure the picture quality and the sound quality will be a lot better. Thanks very much indeed for watching. Do stay safe, keep positive. We'll see you very soon in the next one. Bye guys.